Hey there, folks. It's your favorite running coach, here to talk about a topic that might not be the most glamorous, but it's definitely important for all you runners out there: runner's diarrhea. Dizzy face. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, Coach, why are you talking about this? It's embarrassing. But let's be real, folks. Runner's diarrhea is a real issue that can affect anyone who runs long distances. Man running, it's not something to be ashamed of, and we should talk about it so we can all be aware and take steps to prevent it. Light bulb? So, what is runner's diarrhea, you ask? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like: frequent and loose bowel movements during or after a run, poop. It's most common in long-distance runners, but it can affect anyone who engages in regular running or high-intensity exercise. Woman running. The symptoms of runner's diarrhea can be pretty uncomfortable, and they may include diarrhea, cramping, nausea, gas, and acid reflux. It's not exactly the best feeling in the world, especially when you're trying to push yourself to new limits. Weightlifter. So, what causes runner's diarrhea? Well, there are a few factors that can contribute to it. One of the main causes is organ jostling, which can happen when your organs move around during running, affecting your digestive system. Thoughtful face. Hormonal changes can also play a role, as well as decreased blood flow to the intestines. Collision. But don't worry, folks, there are ways to prevent or reduce the risk of runner's diarrhea. Smiley face. First, avoid certain foods before running, such as caffeine, alcohol, high sugar, high fat foods, foods with artificial sweeteners or sugar alcohol, and warm liquids. Hamburger, chips, slice of pizza, cup. These can all irritate your stomach and make things worse. Instead, opt for easily digestible energy sources like bananas or whole grain bread if you prefer eating before running. Banana bread. Stay hydrated with water, and wear loose-fitting clothing to avoid constriction of blood flow to the intestines. Droplet athletic shoe. And, folks, please avoid NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, like ibuprofen, Advil, and Motrin before running, as they may contribute to abdominal issues. Pill. If you do experience runner's diarrhea, make sure to seek medical attention if severe symptoms like heart palpitations, black or bloody stool, loss of consciousness, or an extreme headache accompany it. Broken heart, hospital. So, there you have it, folks. Runner's diarrhea might not be the most glamorous topic, but it's definitely important to talk about. Playful face. By being aware of the causes and taking steps to prevent it, you can keep running strong and healthy. Man running, flexed biceps. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you all on the running trails. National Park.